Hey there, lovely people! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share some amazing detox juice ideas that'll not only refresh your taste buds, but also help your body work its magic. So, let's dive right in. 1. Watermelon, cucumber, and mint detox juice. This refreshing drink is perfect for hot summer days. Combine watermelon, cucumber, and mint leaves in a juicer and you'll have a hydrating and nutritious drink that's packed with vitamins and minerals. 2. Apple, celery, and lemon detox juice for those who love a bit of a kick. This juice is perfect. Slice up an apple, celery, and lemon and juice them all up. This juice is great for boosting your metabolism and removing toxins from your body. 3. Ginger, turmeric, and apple detox juice. Want to give your body some extra energy? This juice is for you. Slice up ginger, turmeric, and apples and juice them together for a detoxifying and energizing drink. 4. Beetroot, ginger, and apple detox juice. Darker vegetables often have a better reputation when it comes to detoxifying, and this juice is no exception. Juice up a bunch of beetroots, ginger, and apples for a powerful juice that'll give you that extra energy you need. 5. Pineapple, green apple, and cucumber detox juice. Tropical and invigorating. This juice is perfect for starting your day. Juice up a mix of pineapple, green apple, and cucumber for a delicious and nutrient-packed drink. Remember, these are just a few detox juice ideas to get you started. Feel free to mix and match or experiment with different ingredients to find your favorite. Give these a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy drink recipes. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay healthy.